Hello, this is Crypto Street. Welcome to subscribe my channel. I am Violet. Today is the 9th of July, 2022. This video we will talk about WU network. What is WU network? WU network is a deep liquidity network incubated by Kronos Research. It connects traders, exchanges, institutions, and DeFi platforms with democratized access to best-in-class liquidity, trading execution, and yield generation strategies at a low or even zero cost. WU network offers both centralized and decentralized exchanges as part of a liquidity network. WU provides low-cost trading, customizable workspaces, and deep liquidity. The DEX offers a new synthetic proactive market-making SPMM model that mimics a traditional exchange's order book. The trading platform's users can swap, earn, and stake WU, the project's native token. WU can be staked on both WUX and WUFI for rewards. Introduction. Since the creation of Bitcoin, the blockchain space has continued to grow rapidly, and it is easy to see how important cryptocurrency exchanges are today. But if we go back to 2016, the options were slim, and there was no Uniswap or other automated market makers out there. Many people purchased Bitcoin, BTC, and other digital assets directly from other individuals in peer-to-peer P2P markets or through over-the-counter OTC trades. Now there are hundreds if not thousands of crypto exchanges to choose from. WU network is part of this ecosystem, but it offers unique features that go beyond the traditional crypto exchange model. How does WU network work? WU network works with Kronos Research to aggregate and integrate liquidity using quantitative trading and hedging strategies. Liquidity is aggregated from a number of leading centralized and institutional trading platforms and, more recently, through DeFi networks such as Ethereum, BNB Chain, Polygon, and Avalanche. Clients connect directly to the network via API or through the WUX and WUFI. Others connect indirectly via DeFi platforms like 1inch, 0x, or Paraswap. Market makers from other platforms, such as on DEX, can also use WU network as a venue to hedge exposure. The zero-fee model and favorable terms towards takeover orders are ideal for low-cost hedging. Volumes have been growing steadily, and in the middle of September 2021, the 24 hours trading volume reached 2.5 billion, fueled by the exponential growth of popular platforms, such as DEX. What makes WU network unique? The team at WU network has had significant financial and technical experience across many companies such as Citadel, O2, Austin, Deutsche Bank, and BNP Paribas. Also, WU network's product offering includes WU network, a gateway for institutional clients to upgrade their order books to a depth competitive with top exchanges and tighten their bid-ask spread. WUX is a zero-fee or even negative-fee trading platform providing professional and institutional traders with the best-in-class liquidity and execution. It features fully customizable modules for workspace customization. WUFI is a suite of products that aim to expand WU network's liquidity network to DeFi and help DeFi users get the best pricing, the lowest fees, tightest bid-ask spreads, and rewarding but safe yield-generating opportunities. WU Ventures is the investment arm of WU network, which seeks to form strategic partnerships with projects and ecosystems. What is WUX? WUX is WU network's primary product offering centralized finance CeFi trading services. The exchange boasts low-fee trading, deep liquidity, and customizable workspaces. Low-fee trading. Fees are an important part of any trader's choice when choosing a platform. Users who trade on WUX manually without using an API can reduce their maker and taker fees to zero by gaining Tier 1 status. Tier 1 is available to those who stake 1800 WU on WUX, and the SEX occasionally applies additional benefits to Tier 1 users. Better yet, WUX also has a feature called Trade to Earn, where Tier 1 users and above are entitled to rebates on manual takeover orders. Yes, that means you literally get paid to trade. Deep liquidity. Key to any exchange's success is the ability for buyers and sellers to complete their orders efficiently. Ideally, there should be little to no slippage for large orders and a small bid-ask spread. And this is only possible with deep liquidity. This simply means that many people supply crypto to buy and sell on the order book, and the exchange can easily meet demand. One network sources its liquidity from traders using the platform and professional liquidity providers, exchanges, market makers, and institutions. Woolx's most significant provider is Kronos Research, a trading firm that engages in market making. By providing a deep liquidity base through Kronos Research, Woolx can attract even more liquidity to the network. Customizable workspaces. Woolx allows users to customize their trading view with widgets, charts, and other personalizable elements. For more experienced traders, this gives them access to the information and tools they need. TradingView also provides advanced charting tools for creating indicators for technical analysis. What is Woofy? Woofy is a multi-chain automated market maker that uses the synthetic proactive market making (SPMM) model for determining prices. Currently available on BNB Chain, Phantom, and Avalanche, with more networks to come. Most typical AMs use the more straightforward, classic constant product market maker (CPMM). Woofy offers three main features. 1. Swapping. Users can swap between token pairs in Woofy's liquidity pools. The SPMM model has more similarities with the traditional exchange's order book than AMs like Uniswap on Ethereum ETH. SPMM relies on one network as market data oracles to scan order book prices from centralized exchanges and calculate a suitable trade price. Liquidity comes from single pools rather than the traditional dual asset liquidity pool LP system. Woofy manages and rebalances these assets by providing incentives to investors who provide assets with low liquidity. Earning users can deposit LP tokens from other DEXs and individual assets to begin farming yield with them. These vaults reinvest profits automatically and efficiently, allowing you to compound your interest. Staking. Woo holders can stake their tokens to share in the revenue generated by swapping and earning on Woofy. The Woo token. Woo is the native token of the Woo network, serving as the unifying force for all DeFi and CeFi products and services provided. Woo is a utility token that exists on multiple blockchains through bridges such as BNB Chain, Ethereum, Avalanche, Polygon, Solana, Arbitrum, Phantom, and Neo. It is embedded within prominent DEXs on various chains: Vancore, SushiSwap, Uniswap, PancakeSwap, QuickSwap, and SpookySwap. The Woo token provides access to Woolx zero-fee trading rebates, trade to earn, staking, discounts, Woo Ventures airdrops, and governance utilities. Let us take a closer look at its current and upcoming use cases. Where can I buy Woo? You can buy Woo in the Lbank. If you did not register, you can check the following link. If you wanna step into cryptocurrency field, it is time to action. Click the link below and register Lbank Exchange and start to earn. This is Crypto Street. See you next time.